If you're looking for an AI agent that can actually help automate tasks, two names worth checking out are OpenClaw and Hermes Agent. OpenClaw is designed as a flexible personal AI assistant that can connect with different tools and platforms. It's a strong option if you want broad integrations, automation, and customization. Hermes Agent from Noose Research takes a different approach. It focuses on agentic workflows, persistent memory, and learning reusable skills from tasks. That makes it interesting for people who want an AI agent that can improve its workflow over time. So, which one should you choose? If your priority is flexibility, integrations, and an all-around personal assistant, OpenClaw may be the better choice. If you're more interested in memory, autonomous workflows, and reusable skills, Hermes Agent is worth checking out. In short, OpenClaw focuses on connectivity and flexibility, while Hermes focuses more on agent learning and workflow automation.